Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your gender on IMVU mobile application. If you want to change your gender in IMVU, first of all open the IMVU mobile app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner of the screen. Now this will open up your profile, from where you'll need to tap on Edit. Inside Edit Profile section, scroll down and under Show Gender, choose your gender or correct your gender from the menu. After you do that, you can also choose to show your gender in the profile. If you tap the toggle button and it turns green, it means your gender will be shown on your IMVU profile. If you want to hide that, you can toggle off the button, but if you want to change your gender, all you need to do is to tap on these two options according to your gender and then tap on Save at the top right. So that way you will be able to change your gender on your IMVU profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.